Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Bits Bank. Today we are going to discuss some economics MCQs part 1. Friends, you can follow us on Instagram by searching Exam Bits Bank. Please do follow us. Let's get started. First question. Who is called the father of economics? The options are Max Muller, Karl Marx, Adam Smith, none of these. So the answer for this question is option C, Adam Smith. Second one, India has which type of economy? So the options are socialistic economy, Gandhian economy, mixed economy, free economy. So the answer for this question is mixed economy, option C. Third one, India opted for mixed economy in framing the constitution, second 5-year plan, industrial policy of 1948, none of these. So the answer is industrial policy of 1948. Answer is option C. Fourth one, mixed economy means coexistence of small scale and large scale industries, coexistence of the rich and the poor, coexistence of private and public sector, assigning equal importance to both agriculture and heavy industries. So the answer for this question is option C, coexistence of private and public sector. Fifth question, who wrote the book Planned Economy for India? The options are M. Visvesvaraya, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is M. Visvesvaraya, option A. Next question, National Development Council was set up in options are 1948, 1950, 1951, 1952. The correct answer is 1952, option D. Seventh one, economic planning is a subject in the union list, state list, concurrent list, none of this. So the answer is union list, option A. Eighth question, the planning commission is ministry, a government department, an advisory body, an autonomous corporation. So the answer for this question is an advisory body. Planning in India derives its objectives from the options are fundamental rights, directive principles of state policy, fundamental duties, preamble. The correct answer is option B, directive principle of state policy. Nothing but DPSP, which comes under Part 4, Article 36 to 51. And fundamental rights comes under Part 3, Article 12 to 35. At present, we have 6 fundamental rights, and fundamental duties comes under Part 4A, Article 51A. At present, we have 11 fundamental duties. Please do remember these points, guys. Next one, economic survey is published by Ministry of Finance, Planning Commission, Government of India, Indian Statistical Institute. So the answer is Ministry of Finance, option A. Next question, Dadabhai Naoroji theorized on the drain of wealth from India in his book Poverty Under British Rule in India, poverty in British rule in India, poverty and un-British rule in India, poverty of economic drain in British India. So the answer is option C, poverty and un-British rule in India. That's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification when we post a new video. Thank you. Take care. Jai Hind.